Mekong Delta in southern Vietnam, where the mighty Mekong River flows into the sea through a network of innumerable channels, is one of the world's most fertile regions. Here, 17 million people and over 10,000 animal species live side by side along the river and sea shores, and the delta's farmers produce rice that feeds more than 145 million people worldwide. However, the delta's very existence is under threat. The coast is rapidly eroding, with shorelines retreating by up to 50 meters each year, and the mangrove forests that protect against erosion now in dramatic decline. By 2100, 38% of the Mekong Delta could be lost to the sea. Dams constructed in upstream countries are changing the flow of the Mekong, preventing the transport of sediments, which further disrupts the coastal ecosystem. Rising sea levels mean that seawater is increasingly encroaching into the channels used to irrigate fields where farmers grow rice, fruit, and vegetables. It is time to act. What is now needed is a broad-ranging initiative to make the Mekong Delta more resilient to climate change. Any initiative for developing climate resilience in the Mekong Delta needs to answer a number of questions. How can the region's growing agriculture and aquaculture enterprises be prepared for a changing climate and environment? How can the Delta's complex system of waterways be managed to prevent floods and droughts, while continuing to quench agriculture's thirst for water? And how can the coast be protected against floods, storms, and erosion? All these issues are closely interlinked and require a comprehensive response. As such, a common framework is needed for all climate-related interventions in the Mekong Delta, one that is based on stronger regional coordination and a new integrated strategy for the Delta. Now is the time for all actors to work together to make sure that climate change is not solely the biggest threat the Delta ever faced, but also a turning point in its transformation into one of the country's most productive and sustainable regions.